This is Pete with Auto Repair Tips. I want to talk to you a little bit about your fuel systems on your vehicle. Smelling gas, see gas. If you enjoy this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell for notifications. This is the top of a fuel tank on the 03 Ford Taurus. Customer was smelling gas. And these are one of the things you want to look for. You know, the older these cars get, these lines are just plastic. The fuel pump, top of it's made of plastic. And what happens is, when cold weather hits or hot weather hits, a change of seasons, these plastics will crack. And you'll get vapors out of these hoses here. And this line right here is your fuel pump. Pressure comes out of this line here. Sometimes this nipple cracks and you'll get fuel leaks. All these things can cause fuel smells and fuel leaks. This is what the fuel pump looks like inside your gas tank. It's the whole fuel pump assembly module. That's your sock. Your fuel pump's down inside here. One time we were doing one of these gas tanks and a rat built a nest up inside here and chewed all the vacuum lines and all the fuel lines while he was living there when the guy was driving the car. This is your filler neck. When you fill your car up with the gas goes through here. Over a period of time, these hoses here get soft and they'll start leaking on you. There's your fuel filter, and there's another evap line. Cars are full of these evap lines. All of them are made of plastic. Fuel system turns into metal here. Evap line still plastic. Right up in there. Any one of these hoses cracks, causes fuel smells, causes evap codes. Looking under the car, this is part of your evap system. Look how mushy and dry this is. You have a purge solenoid that's back up inside here. A lot of times this will cause your codes on your evap system. Here's another part of the fuel system. You have injectors, top of the engine. All injectors usually put in with O-rings. And over a period of time, those O-rings, they get old, dry, brittle, they crack, they leak fuel. Sometimes your spark plug wires run right over top of those injectors. If your wires have any kind of bad spots in them and you have fuel, there's a cause fire right there. If you end up working on the fuel system yourself, just remember, you know, there are many different types of fuel systems out there. So just be the one you're working on, just research it, make sure you understand what you're doing. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to shoot me a message and I can look information up for you or help you out the best you can. The last thing we want is you to be riding around on a car that's got bad smell of gas or leaking fuel, and you do the repairs and not 100% sure what you're doing, and then your car catches on fire and it blows up and you have problems. So again, like I say, just be cautious. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to visit my website, shoot me a comment here, and I will gladly do what I can to help you out. I'll also put a link in the description box to my website. On the site there's a form to fill out. Fill it out, shoot it over to me, and I'll answer any of your questions.